futures are bigly green here today as U.S. and Iran have reached a deal to end the war. S&P futures up 1.31%, Dow futures up 0.95%, and the Nasdaq up a whopping 2.15% ahead of Monday's open here. Let's take a look at some cues from last session here. Most sectors on the S&P 500 closed on a positive note, with financials, materials, and utility stocks recording the biggest gains on Friday. However, healthcare stocks bucked the overall market trend and closed the session lower. U.S. stock futures advanced on Monday as the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, and Dow Jones indices rose following Friday's higher close. Now, this also follows an announcement of a peace agreement with Iran by President Trump, which led to a decline in crude oil futures. He said that the deal is, quote, now complete, end quote, adding, quote, I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz and simultaneously herewith authorize the immediate removal of the United States naval blockade, end quote. In this truncated trading week with markets closed on Friday, investors will eye the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates with the new chairman, Kevin Warsh, on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.44%, and the 2-year bond was at 4.03%. The CME Group's Fed Watch Tool projection showed that the markets are pricing in a 97.4% likelihood that the Federal Reserve leaves the current interest rates unchanged during the June meeting. Now, I've got several stocks in focus here for you today. And yeah, the first one is an obvious one. It's going to be SpaceX. Space Exploration Technology, ticker SPCX, was 5.9% higher in the pre-market on Monday following its debut on Friday. The listing propelled CEO Elon Musk's wealth, making him the world's first trillionaire. The second stock on our list is going to be Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or ticker TSM. It rose 3.77% as it reported a 1.5% increase in month-on-month consolidated net revenue for May of 2026 and a 30.1% year-over-year gain as compared to May of 2025. The next stock on our list is going to be Tower Semiconductor. The ticker is TSEM. It rose by 5% as it signed a multi-year INP supply deal with IQE. The next stock on our list is a familiar drone name. It's Red Cat Holdings, and the ticker is RCAT. It advanced 4.79% after unveiling Hellcat, which is a small unmanned aircraft system built on its Black Widow platform. The next stock on our list is going to be Micron Technology, ticker MU. It surged 8.19% as Wolf Research hiked its price target to $12.50 from $5.50. Maintained an outperform rating. The last stock on our list is going to be Dave & Buster's Entertainment, ticker PLAY. It was up 0.3 as analysts expected to report earnings of 61 cents per share on revenue of $580.46 million after the closing bell today.